Hey guys, I'm making this video to show you what exactly you can expect from my new bridal bouquet earrings masterclass. So let's dig in. As always in my masterclass, I start with hand sculpting the petals that we are going to need for our flowers that we are going to use in the design that we are making. So in this case, we have two types of flowers, and we go through every step of the assembly. After that, of course, I'm teaching you how to attach them to the wire and show you how to bake them so the flowers are sturdy and wearable. In the second portion of the tutorial, I'm going to show you every wire technique I use to assemble all the components in the complete design, so you get this result you see in my hand. To every one of my future students, if you decide to purchase my masterclass, I am here for you, and I am unconditionally supporting you with all of your questions and help you need to master the technique I am teaching you. So don't hesitate to reach out.